This is Group 14A, ME102B project, mono-legged jumper. Our project is heavily inspired by robot Salto. It's essentially to design and build the mono-legged jumping robot, essentially for specifically low gravity environments, as well as it just makes a cool toy mechanism.
Okay, so first we have our setup right now. It's at an idle state, which is state 0. We have 3 stages, state 0, 1, 2. At state 1, the motor will run and contract the leg. We have 2 torsional springs, which are placeholders at the moment. We didn't have time to calibrate to the right spring constants. So in an ideal work, it would contract and we would give the motor no power, and then the springs would extend the leg. And then if you feel a budge, meaning if it lands, it'll run the motor while it's landing, so it will help it get more energy to the spring. But right now, due to springs not working, I'll show you when it budges, it still runs the motor. So right now is at idle state, which is state 0. If I press the button, it should go to state 1, running the motors and stopping at the place where we want it, which is contracted. This is state 0. Now if I press the button, state 1. Now that it stopped at where we wanted, this is state 2, where the encoder is read to see if there's any budges so that the motor will run again. So right now I will kick.
Right. Yeah. Here we reach the land again. So it lands, feels a sudden torque at the hip, feels it, starts contracting, and expands.
Does it again, yeah. So right now we could only show it going up, but essentially it's supposed, because of the springs, it should kick it, and then when it lands, it should feel the budge. So the encoder actually reads, if the encoder reads a certain budge, it'll run the motor again.
Yes, let's try it again to show them. Right, so we could see that, and then there's a sudden change.
So the motor helps it.
Yeah, motor runs again.